going on? This is Shelley Ann Weeks, and I'm right here at the Ministry of Finance's Health Fair, an event that we have for our team members to ensure that they get the year started on a healthy foot. Here today, we have a lot of different services that are provided mostly for free to the staff. They can get their blood pressure test, they can get their diabetes checked, they can get their cholesterol checked. We have nutritionists here to advise them on healthy living, healthy way to approach food. We also have other parties who are going to be doing testing for HIV and syphilis, as well as an array of different services right here at the ministry.
So today we are here at the health fair and we have brought some of our goodies with us, meaning that we brought some of our health products here to represent. Currently we have 25% off on small items, so that would be our personal blenders, our air fryers, and also one of the major highlights that we're doing today.
We're here today to educate you that every chest pain is an emergency. We open 24 hours. At any point in time, should by any need you are having in a chest pain, just make your way to Heart Institute of the Caribbean.
We're providing free HIV and syphilis tests to the staff here today, and also promoting PrEP, which is pre-exposure prophylaxis. That's the new innovative method of prevention that reduces your chances of contracting HIV by up to 99% once you take it as prescribed. So we're promoting these services today.
We're a dental office located in Crossroads and Portmore. We offer all dental services, cleaning, filling, extraction, dentures, and referrals for oral surgery and braces. And we're here today to answer all dental questions and give advice for all dental procedures.
The academic health corner is important because not only are we to take care of our bodies, but we also have to nourish our minds. If we're going to be a whole being, it's mind, body, and soul, right? And so we've provided offerings, we've invited different organizations, UTech, UCC, Heart Trust, NSTA to come and share their offerings that will help you to professionally actualize, and to reach where you need to be.
Today was a good day. The booths were very informative. I think it's a great initiative, and I look forward to MOFPS Health Fair every year because of the vast amount of information that I get.
Pressure test done. Go and get yourself some nutritional advice. Go and get your HIV and syphilis test done. Some of you don't know on the status enough. You need to know all the numbers.
Today we are promoting the awareness of 4 important numbers. Knowing your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your cholesterol, and your body mass index. That relates to your weight, and these 4 numbers will help to guide you to know what is your health status.
We are introducing our products and services to the members of the Ministry of Finance. Today we're offering savings and investment products. We have a savings product, which is our special deposit account, which pays 8% interest per annum. We also have a golden harvest account that pays 7% interest per annum, and a deferred shares account that pays 6% per annum. So our savings rates are very competitive.
Today we're doing examinations for all our patients. We'll be looking at your chief complaints, and we'll be taking down all the information. If you have any cavities, if you have any pain, any discomfort, we're going to be going through all our treatment plans that would be available for you.
Our purpose here today is to sensitize our clients of the different short courses that we have and the different opportunities available for upskilling and reskilling, and for them to get comfortable with lifelong learning.
I'm here today at the health fair to find out my numbers. Very informative, very good program put on by the Ministry of Finance.